Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by checking simple items that often fix low sound. Open Settings, then System, and then Sound to find the master volume. Make sure the master volume slider is at 100% for testing. Next, right-click the speaker icon and open the volume mixer for app-specific controls. Adjust any app sliders that are low and test sound. Finally, unplug external headphones or 3.5mm cables and test the built-in speakers directly for any change in level. If simple checks fail, focus on drivers and settings in Windows 11. Open Device Manager and locate sound, video, and game controllers to update the audio driver. Use the manufacturer website for the latest driver if Windows does not find one. Next, in Sound Properties, select the playback device and disable audio enhancements to avoid unwanted processing. Then set the default format to 16-bit 48,000 HZ to match common media sample rates. Check specific hardware tools and alternative outputs if problems continue. Open any Realtek or vendor audio console and enable Speaker Boost or Speaker Fill options if present. For Bluetooth speakers or earbuds, remove the device, then pair it again to refresh the audio profile and codec negotiation. If internal speakers still sound low, test using a USB audio dongle or external powered speakers to isolate the issue. Consider running the Windows Audio Troubleshooter and, if needed, consult repair service for physical speaker faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.